Have you ever wanted to create AI images and videos in one place without using multiple tools? What if you could turn your ideas into cinematic 4K visuals in just seconds? In today's video, I'm going to show you Hailuo AI, a powerful platform that makes content creation super easy and fast. What is Hailuo AI? Hailuo AI is an all-in-one creative platform where you can generate AI images, AI videos, sound effects. Everything works in a smooth workflow. No need to switch tools, models and features. Image models, Nano Banana. Mid-Journey, Dream. This makes Hailuo a complete professional level AI platform. Now, let's create some images. Prompt 1. A lone warrior standing on a cliff during a thunderstorm. Lightning striking behind him. Cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, 8K detailed result explanation. The result looks absolutely stunning. You get a cinematic 8K quality image with realistic lighting, sharp details, and powerful mood. Honestly, this feels like a scene from a movie, not an AI image. Prompt 2. Funny. A cat wearing sunglasses riding a small motorbike in a city, realistic environment, funny expression. This is where Hailuo really shines. The output is funny, but still ultra-realistic. You get clean 4K quality, smooth details, and the expressions look natural. Perfect for viral content. Prompt 3. A chubby superhero slipping on a banana peel while trying to land heroically in a city. Cinematic lighting. This result is super fun and creative. The mix of action and comedy looks amazing. Again, the output is in high 4K quality with great motion feel even in a still image. It shows how powerful these models really are. Video generation section. Now let's move to video. Prompt 1. Action video. A warrior standing on a cliff during a storm, lightning strikes behind him, camera slowly zooms in, wind blowing cape, cinematic scene. The video comes out very cinematic and smooth. You can see realistic motion, camera movement, and 4K level quality. It honestly looks like a movie shot, not AI generated. Prompt 2. Funny video. A cat wearing sunglasses riding a small motorbike in a busy city, people reacting, camera follows the cat smoothly. This is super entertaining. The motion is smooth, expressions are funny, and everything feels alive. The quality is sharp and close to 4K, which is perfect for social media. Prompt 3. A chubby superhero jumping from the sky, trying to land but slipping on a banana peel and falling in a funny way. Cinematic camera. This one is next level fun. Action plus comedy together. The animation is smooth, timing is perfect, and the visual quality is very high. 4K style. It really shows how creative you can get with Hailuo. Why? Hailuo AI is powerful. All tools in one place, uses top AI models, saves time. High quality 4K style outputs. Perfect for creators. Max membership. Hailuo AI offers different membership tiers and each one unlocks more power depending on your needs. Free plan limited image and video generations. Basic quality output. Slower processing speed. Watermarks may be included. Good for beginners who just want to test the platform. Standard plan. More generation credits, better image and video quality, closer to 4K. Faster rendering compared to free plan. Access to more models. Best for regular creators who need consistent content. Max membership. Top tier, highest generation, limits full high quality output. Fastest processing speed. Priority access to latest models like Hailuo 2.3, Sora more control over video generation, better motion, smoother results, no watermark or minimal restrictions. This is perfect for professional creators, agencies, and YouTubers who want top quality results. Check the link in the description, try it yourself, and tell me your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.